In this video, I'm about to show you how to pay a speeding ticket online in British Columbia. If your ticket starts with the letter E or S, you can pay online through PayBC, by mail, by phone, or in person. If your ticket starts with A, you can pay by mail, by phone, or in person. You can pay with a bank draft or money order by mail. Do not send cash, so include a copy of the front of the ticket with your payment. If you cannot provide a copy, include the following information: the ticket number on the top right corner of the ticket, your full name, address, driver's license number, date of birth, and the valid date, plus the title of the act and section number, as shown on the front of the ticket. Bank draft or money order should be made payable to the Insurance Corporation of British Columbia (ICBC). You can call 1-888-343-2240 or 604-661-2240. Be sure to have your violation ticket ready. Also make a payment using cash, bank draft, debit card, and money order. Tickets can be paid at any of the following locations. Be sure to bring a copy of the ticket with your Service BC office and any court registry. An additional ticket issued under the Motor Vehicles Act and regulations can be paid at the ICBC Driver's Licensing Office, Claim Centers, and Auto Plan Broker Office. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.